Hello friends. So today we are here with a question on matrices and determinants. So this looks like a simple question, and it is simple question. So it can be solved in two different ways. So the first way is that we assume the elements of matrix A. So for assuming the elements of matrix A, we have to be aware of the order of matrix A. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix, and the resultant is also a 2 by 2 matrix. So it means that the number of rows of the matrix A must be 2. And the number of columns of matrix A also must be equal to the number of rows of matrix, the second matrix, 2. So A is a 2 by 2 matrix. So we can suppose that elements of A are P, Q, R, and S. And then we can write the second matrix, 4, -1, 0, -2. And this should be equal to, given to be equal to 17, 0, 10, and -16. So you can multiply the left-hand side matrices in the usual way and form the and then equating the corresponding elements, you will be getting the values of P, Q, R, and S. So you will be getting P is equal to 3, Q is equal to -5, R is equal to 2, and S is equal to 8. So that's one way you will be able to solve this question. Another way is you can suppose that this matrix is B, the given, and on the right hand side this matrix is C. So A is the unknown matrix. So you can write the matrix equation like this. A times A matrix times B is equal to C. Now you want to eliminate B from here. So you multiply with B inverse. So AB times B inverse should be equal to C times B inverse. Remember, the order in which the matrices are written is very important. So, and this multiplication of matrices on the left-hand side is associated. So you can write it as B times B inverse, A times, you can club B and B inverse together. And that will become an identity matrix. So A times I is equal to C times B inverse. And A times I is A. So in this way, you will be getting A inverse. A, matrix A. So matrix A is C times B inverse. So this is a 2 by 2 matrix, 4, -1, 0, -2. And B inverse, as always, for any matrix, it is equal to 1 over determinant B into adjoint of B. Right. So these are the two ways to solve this matrix question, and the answers obviously should be matching. Okay. And try solving this. I'll be back with its solution. If you are not able to solve it, just comment. I'll send you the solution. All right. Thank you.